Hey there, ready to dive into the wild, weird, and wonderful world of frogs? Frog. In this video, we'll explore 100 awesome frog pictures while sharing mind-blowing facts, strange biology, and fun trivia you probably never heard before. Let's hop right in. DNA 1. Frogs are super diverse. There are over 7,000 known species of frogs worldwide. And new ones are discovered every year, especially in remote jungles like the Amazon and Southeast Asia. Ear 2. Frogs don't have external ears. Instead of ears like us, they have something called a tympanic membrane, a round disc behind their eyes that works like a built-in microphone. Snowflake 3. Some frogs freeze solid and come back to life. The wood frog of Alaska freezes completely in winter, its heart stops, blood flow halts, and organs shut down. But come spring, it thaws out and starts hopping again like nothing happened. Nature's little zombie. Don't forget me guys. I love you so much red heart. Sun 4. Frogs with built-in sunscreen. The waxy monkey tree frog produces a natural oily substance that it spreads over its skin to prevent sunburn. Who needs SPF when you make your own? Eye 5. Frogs use their eyes to swallow. Yep, their eyeballs sink into their heads to push food down their throats. So next time you see a frog blinking while eating, now you know why. Speaker 6. Frogs sing with their bellies, not their mouths. They use a vocal sac, like a stretchy balloon under the throat, to make those famous ribbits. Some frogs can even be heard from miles away. Paint palette 7. Chameleon-style color changers. Many frog species can change color, to hide from predators, regulate temperature, or just express mood. Mood ring, but make it slimy. Don't forget me guys. I love you so much red heart. Leg 8. Olympic-level jumpers. The frog hopper can leap over 100 times its body length. That's like a human jumping the length of a football field, seriously impressive. Pill 9. Healing skin chemicals. Frog skin contains peptides and natural chemicals that scientists are studying for use in painkillers, antivirals, and even cancer treatments. Frogs might help cure diseases someday. Skull and crossbones 10. The most poisonous vertebrate on Earth. The golden poison dart frog is tiny but deadly. One frog's skin holds enough poison to kill 10 grown humans. Indigenous hunters use its toxin on the tips of blow darts. Stay away from the yellow ones. Don't forget me guys. I love you so much red heart. Cloud with rain 11. Frogs that raise their kids in rain puddles. Tree frogs often lay eggs in curled up leaves filled with rainwater. Their tadpoles grow in these tiny jungle nurseries until they're ready to hop out. Person beard 12. Frog dads that carry the babies. In some species, like the Darwin's frog, the male carries the eggs in his throat or back until they hatch. Parenting level. Legendary. Droplet 13. Frogs don't drink, they absorb. They soak up water through a special patch on their belly called a drinking patch. Imagine if you could just sit in a puddle instead of using a water bottle. Soap 14. Frogs that groom like cats. Some frogs wipe their faces with their feet and wash themselves in a cat-like fashion. Adorable little hygiene freaks. Crescent Moon 15. Nightlife specialists. Most frogs are nocturnal, meaning they're active at night. That's when they sing, hunt, and mate, staying safe from daytime predators. Don't forget me guys. I love you so much red heart. Ghost 16. See-through frogs exist. Glass frogs have translucent bellies. You can actually see their heart, liver, and intestines from the outside. Creepy and cool at the same time. Fork and knife with plate 17. Cannibal frogs. Some frogs, especially stressed or starving males, will eat their own tadpoles or even other frogs. Brutal, but it's a tough world out there. Face mask 18. Frogs that play dead. To avoid predators, some frogs just drop down, stay completely still, and pretend they're dead. Sometimes, acting really does save your life. Globe 19. Frogs are eco-health indicators. Scientists listen to frog sounds in a forest to measure the health of the environment. More frog calls equals healthier ecosystem. Frog 20. Internet famous frogs. Some frogs have gone viral online. One smiles when it's petted, Biggie the toad. Another rides a toy motorcycle with the wind in its face. Frogs are secretly the kings of memes. Bone 21. Frogs don't have ribs. Most animals have rib cages to protect their organs, but frogs? Nope. They rely on a strong spine and a flat bone plate for protection instead. Nose 22. Frogs can breathe through their skin. Besides using lungs, frogs also absorb oxygen directly through their moist skin. It's why they always need to stay damp. Don't forget me guys. I love you so much red heart. Sleeping 23. Frogs don't have eyelids, but they have see-through goggles. Instead of normal eyelids, frogs use a special nictitating membrane to protect their eyes, especially underwater. Basically built-in swim goggles. Straight ruler 24. The smallest frog in the world is only 7 mm long. It's called Paedophrine amauensis, and it's smaller than an ant. You could accidentally inhale it if you're not careful. Cold sweat smile. Collision 25. Some frogs puff up like balloons. When threatened, certain frogs inflate their bodies to look bigger and scarier than they really are. Nature's version of, fake it till you make it. Don't forget sub me guys. I love you so much red heart. Hot pepper 26. Some frogs make predators lose their sense of taste. The toxins in some frogs don't just poison, they actually mess with a predator's taste receptors, making future meals taste bad. Savage and scientific. Musical notes 27. Every frog has a unique voice print. Like a fingerprint, each frog species has a distinct croak. Scientists can identify species just by their call, like jungle DJs with signature beats. Egg 28. Some frogs lay eggs on leaves high above water. In the rainforest, some frogs attach eggs to overhanging leaves. When the tadpoles hatch, they fall straight into the water below like baby paratroopers. Fly 29. Frog tongues are faster than your eyes. Some frog tongues shoot out in less than 0.07 seconds, faster than you can blink. By the time you notice, the bug's already gone. Microbe 30. Frogs warn us about pollution. Because their skin is super sensitive, frogs are like living bioindicators. If frogs start disappearing, it's a sign the environment is in serious trouble. Anti-clockwise arrows 31. Frogs shed their skin, and eat it. Yep, frogs peel off their own skin like a shirt, then swallow it like a snack. Zero waste, 100% weird. Ice 32. There's a frog that lives inside snow. The ice frog of the Andes can survive in freezing temperatures by slowing its metabolism. Basically, it hibernates like a cold-blooded Jedi. Paw 33. Some frogs have claws, but not like you think. The hairy frog breaks its own bones to form claws that puncture through the skin. Frog Wolverine is real, and he's terrifying. Paint palette 34. Frogs can be blue, orange, red, even purple. Not all frogs are green. Some have wild neon colors to warn predators they're toxic. Fashion with a purpose. Lizard 35. There are frogs that climb vertical glass. Tree frogs have sticky toe pads that let them climb smooth surfaces, even windows. They're like little amphibian Spider-Men. No speaking 36. Not all frogs can croak. Some frogs are completely silent, especially in areas with no predators or low competition. They're the introverts of the frog world. Military helmet 37. Some frogs play bodyguard to their eggs. The marsupial frog keeps its eggs in a pouch on its back until they hatch. Frog moms with built-in baby carriers, nature's kangaroo version. Sunrise 38. Some frogs change color based on the time of day.